What's up, future Sea Kings? I'm Becca McDuffie, a sophomore here at Palos Verdes High School. Athletics are a huge part of who we are. From state titles to no-cut teams, there's a place for everyone to compete. Today we'll show you how Sea Kings work hard and cheer hard.
At Palos Verdes High School, we have 27 varsity sports programs, all of your traditional sports, as well as some that are pretty unique to Southern California, like beach volleyball and surf team. And most of those teams have a lower level, a JV or a frosh-off team. Our sports compete during 3 different seasons during the year. So we have a fall season, a winter season, and a spring. And that allows a lot of our athletes to do more than one sport during the course of the school year.
Just last year, student athletes signed to play in college at schools like USC, Georgetown, Florida, UC Davis, and Santa Clara. Our football team is coming off a CIF regional and state title run, and across multiple sports, players are earning Division I offers and roster spots. That's the level PV is competing at. But all that starts with one thing: the culture on these teams.
Lacrosse is a very welcoming sport. It's a great community. The culture is amazing. All the guys are very friendly. Freshmen are just as good as friends with everyone else on the lacrosse team as the sophomores, juniors, seniors.
My journey started at PV with making varsity girls flag football as a freshman, and the teammates were really nice and all the coaches were really great, and they welcomed me super quickly, and I made a pretty big impact on the team, and I got to start, and it was just a great season.
Sea King football is headed in a really good direction. Last 2 years we went to state, which we won, and then Southern Section D3 finals last year. So we've been playing against a lot of really good teams, and a lot of people on the team have received offers and college interest, and the next generation, it should only be more. We're kind of just like a brotherhood, no one's excluded just because you haven't played before.
I think having fun at practice just kind of builds our relationships together, and it's just kind of the chemistry that we're building by making the friendships. It's kind of a testimony to the success that we have on the field, and that we're very all comfortable with each other. We know how each other play and how we are. Playing with each other for the past 4 years, all in high school together, has led to us going to the CIF finals, playing in the open division, which is one of the top divisions, and having the 61 commits is also having a bunch of role models on the team.
Maybe suiting up isn't for you, but you could still be a part of one of the best student sections in all of SoCal. With Red Tide leading the way, our stands are just as intense as the action on the field.
Red Tide is a small group of seniors selected by the outgoing Red Tide presidents and the current school administration. You can find us anywhere on campus. We're at all the games, all the events, anything that has to do with Spirit, you can find us there, and we'll be a friend to everyone.
Red Tide for me is the best way to be a part of PV Spirit. You get to cheer on your friends, your teammates, other people, and just wear red and get everyone hyped.
When you have a spirited crowd and a full student section, it just makes the games more fun. You have a good time watching the game. I mean, I can't really talk for the players, but I feel for the players it brings an environment that they want to play at, and they want to kind of show what their best can be.
At PV High, wins and losses fade, but the people you meet and the memories you make don't. Whether you're on the field, on the court, or in the stands with Red Tide, there's a place for you in the Sea King family. And for Live from 205, I'm Becca McDuffie.